Hey guys, today I will show my clickbank earning using Google Ads. I will show my Google Ads dashboard also. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can get more information. You can see Chokda 14 December and $160 was my earning. Okay guys, for proof you can see here also $160 was my earning. Okay, now I want to share with you my Google Ads dashboard analytics. Okay, so you can see 4000 was my ad spend in Google Ads. This is around $50. Okay guys, this is INR 4000 INR. 4000 INR means $50. Okay, so $50 was my ad spend and my earning around $160. Okay, so my profit is $110. You can see my CPC also. Okay, so guys, this kind of earning is not difficult when you know how to choose right product, how to create high converting landing page for that product, and you know how to set up perfectly Google Ads campaign. And fourth thing, you know how to optimize Google Ads so that you can get sale like this. Okay guys, so guys, if you have any question, any doubt, you want any help related product selection, Google Ads campaign setup, high converting landing page creation, Google Ads optimization, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. You can see my WhatsApp number on the screen, and you can message me on my Instagram also. My Instagram ID you can see on screen. So guys, if you have any question, you can message me. You can clear any doubt. You can get any help. Okay, message me.